Most investors focus only on stocks, but smart investors first identify the right sector. Because when sectors move, entire groups of stocks may move together. Some sectors outperform the market, some sectors underperform. And this cycle keeps repeating again and again. This is called sector rotation. In this video, we discuss which sectors have highest weightage in Nifty 50, how to check sector PE history practically, how to identify overvalued and undervalued sectors, and how smart investors track sector opportunities before the crowd. Let us start. How to find sector weightage in Nifty 50. Use Chrome web browser, enter niftyindices.com website and click on reports, select index fact sheet and select Nifty 50. Inside the fact sheet, we can see sector weightages, top holdings, PE ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield, and many other useful details. Nifty 50 is not equally divided among all sectors. A few sectors dominate the index because of their large market capitalization. Currently, the top 5 weighted sectors in Nifty 50 are financial services, oil, gas and consumable fuels, information technology, automobiles and auto components, fast moving consumer goods. These sector weightages may change every month and this report gets updated every month. So always use the latest fact sheet. Understanding sector rotation. The market moves like a pendulum from undervaluation to overvaluation and then back from overvaluation to undervaluation. During this process, some sectors outperform the broader market, some sectors underperform the broader market. The rotation may be happen due to any reason. This happens because of economic cycles, interest rate, government policies, global events, sector specific problems, liquidity flow. That is why sector rotation is always happening in the market. How do we know whether a sector is overvalued or undervalued? Many investors make a mistake here. We should not compare PE ratios of different sectors. For example, bank PE cannot compared with FMCG PE, IT PE cannot be compared with auto PE. Every sector has different growth potential and business nature. Instead, compare a sector's PE with its own historical PE. Comparing with historical PE gives a better clarity. We can compare current PE with the 5-year median PE or comparing with the 10 years historical average. If the current PE is much higher than historical averages, this sector may be overvalued. If the current PE is much lower than historical averages, the sector may be undervalued. But valuation alone is not enough. Just because a sector looks undervalued doesn't mean it has already bottomed out. A sector can remain undervalued for a long time if business growth remains weak. That is why smart investors track earnings growth, sales growth, margin trends, operating profit margin and net profit margin, management commentary, future demand outlook, especially of the sector leaders. Leaders usually give early signs about the future direction of the sector. How to check sector PE history? There are two options to check the sector or any index PE history. Use Chrome browser. First option, go to niftyindices.com website, click on reports and select historical data. Here we can see drop down list. From the list, select PE, PB and dividend yields. Enter index type, equity, subindex. As we are discussing about sector index, we can select any sector from the list. Nifty Bank and enter the date range. The date range should not be more than 1 year and then submit. Now we can see the data is already shown here. Here you can find CSV format link. You can download it. It is nothing but Excel format. If you want multi-year PE history, then split the data into number of years and you can download it. Second option, again in Chrome browser, enter www.screener.in. This is not promotional video, it is just educational video. The website is very useful. Enter any sector name. In the chart area section, select PE ratio and select the time period for which we need PE history. The dotted line which we are seeing on the chart, it is the median index PE for the selected time period. If we compare for Nifty IT, for the 5 years period, median PE 27.7, the current PE is approximately current PE 19.3. For the 10 years, median PE was 25.1 and current PE was 19.3. In this manner, we can compare the current valuation where it stands. This helps us to understand whether the sector is expensive, fairly valued or undervalued compared to its history. Sector analysis gives investor a huge advantage because wealth is often created by entering strong sectors early before the majority notices the trend. Don't blindly chase stocks. First understand which sectors are leading, which sectors are weakening, and where valuations are becoming attractive. That is where smart money focuses. If you find this video useful, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel.